Ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA SA but ka Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association ne ka singi arpulai ter risau kila Pdiang sngewbha ya ka jingkular jo menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma lingba ka jing tho ban pun urlong ki artli ki mat jing dawa ba kongsan jong ki nonghikai SSA kata ka jing shimti no ek school SSA ra ka Sorkar kumju ha ka baya dei ka jing siu tulam Habakran Syllad pathai kubot u president ka MSSA SA uba Aristotle Rumbai ulo ong baka nga jingpan bana kala wanlong hadin ka general meeting kabala long haslong ha kabala wanya shimbanta da gidikot na kaleng gajala kamtam na rilum kasi bat jantia ka jingtmu jonga ni ka jingalang menta ka singi ka long ban pensngau ya ka ni ka jingkular bala ai da umentri rangba ka jala lingba ka jingtho ha ka jingakran ka jongi ha ka khat real tri risau ha main secretariat ong uba Aristotle ka Sorkar kala kular hangi baya ki artri ki mat jingdawa ba kongsan jongi kata ka jingshimti no ek school SSA da ka Sorkar bat ka jing penrung ya ka jing siu tulap bala penbai renti na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka tulap jong kinohikai kin sa urlong ula benram ula benrap ru baki association kila Pdiang da ka wai ka sur ya ka jing pentikna bala ai da ka Sorkar jela katkum ka jing tho ka Sorkar kan pendap ya ka rukam siu tulap ka bathamai ha ubenai no pra arja apsan bat kan sedang bantre kam na du ka shitarik uyayong arja aprio kani ka jingkular kalawan long hadin ka jingalang bala penyai da umentri rangba bat kinong mi khama jong giseng nohikai ba pher jong ka SSA ha ka bala menjur ba katanat puli puthi bat giseng kinya trilang ban thaw ya ka rukam siu ka bala bu renti kani ka sinjam ka thmu ban penthikna ya ka jingsngan ha ka kam ka jingpen kiu tulap kat kum ka samoy ba ka jingaring kan hapdeng kinohikai SSA bat ki fourth teachers Lakban kedo bahadu pala lai hajar lai spa lai pu ar na kisan hajar spa lai pu itli ki school SSA ha Meghalaya kila IT ki no objection certificate NOC na kabenta ban IT ka jimpenya jongki shaka Sorkar jela na kini kidan arspa khandai pu pra tri school nyam bar ki school SSA bala penya da ki riu shimen ka Sorkar kala menjur ru ban shimti no ek school SSA bala penya da ki borshnong ki bala pen pawi ka jinglong lakloi ban pen hap hapo ka jingpenya jong ka Sorkar
of Meghalaya with the members of SSA Teachers Association in the Cabinet Room Main Secretariat on October 16, 2025. Shri Konrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister, who chaired the meeting, welcome all representatives of the SSA Association present, namely the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association, the Meghalaya SSA School Association, the All Garoviers SSA School Teachers Association, and the All Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association. He then requested the Commissioner and Secretary Education Department to initiate the discussion. Commissioner and Secretary Education briefly outlined the development since November last year. When the SSA Association began their agitation demanding pay enhancement and job security. He highlighted the subsequent discussion held between the Education Department and the SSA Association in response to these demands. The members of the various SSA Teachers Association first expressed their gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister for convening the meetings and providing them the opportunity to present their concern. They then placed before the chair their key demands, which include: number 1, ensuring job security of SSA teachers beyond March 2026, when the Samagra Shiksha program in the present format is scheduled to conclude. Number 2, granting SSA teachers a structured pay in the form of a regular pay scale with provision for annual increment and protection against inflation. Number 3, taking over of community-managed SSA school that has committed their willingness to be handed over to the government. And number 4, extending equal treatment to 4 teachers at par with other SSA teachers, including direct transfer of their salaries to their respective accounts. The members also expressed over a recent Supreme Court judgment regarding SSA teachers without the MTED certificate. They requested that the government future actions in implementing the judgment be undertaken with positive consideration and sensitivity to the teachers' situation. The Honorable Minister in charge of education emphasized that ensuring the quality of education in the state is closely linked to addressing the issues faced by teachers. He noted that resolving teachers' concern is particularly critical as the Samagra Shiksha program is set to conclude by March 2026. And the forthcoming program is likely to have reduced financial support from the government of India for teachers' salaries. Position Yong, Bakanika scheme SSA, Kakum, Kashiti Balapa, the government of India, House name Araja Puway, August, Kaong, Bak SSA, Kankut, Kajingira Pisa, Hakalai Puway Klik, Kunai March, Araja Apodrim. Hangni Umday Tamangik Association Kaong, Wat Nagaliam Joga government, led by Honorable Education Minister Syllad dan Berboy. Ila keren syai kani iong ba. Kani ka program jong ka SSA ni kata sama ka shiksha banrong kankut ha March araja akong dream. Kala akan continue tang ba at bayade bat ka financial support ya ketulog jong nonghikai SSA kan reduce kan duna Henry kan continue tang giveaway intervention. The Honorable Chief Minister reiterated his firm commitment and determination to find a lasting solution to the problems faced by SSA teachers as well as other categories of teachers currently receive fixed pay. He stated that the objective is to resolve this issue once and for all, so that the future generations of teachers do not have to endure similar challenges. He observed that the roots of the problem lies in the existing of multiple granular schemes under which teachers are being paid differently. The Honorable Chief Minister further pointed out that Meghalaya, with 14,582 schools, has the highest number of schools per capita in the Northeast and one of the highest in the country. The state also has the highest percentage of government-aided schools in the region. He acknowledged that the current system of fixed pay provision little security or assurance of future increments. In this regard, he suggested that the Education Department and the Teachers Associations should work together to evoke a structured pay system with automatic and periodic salary increments. At the same time, he underscored the importance of rationalization of schools and teaching position as a necessary step to improve efficiency and sustainability. The Honorable Chief Minister concluded by stating that once these reforms are undertaken, collective focus should be directed towards the holistic development of students and the advancement of education in the state. He also assured that the concern of the 4 teachers will be duly examined and addressed. After detailed deliberations on the issues placed before the chair, the following decisions were arrived at. But kapangan puli mentah kami kandai kata assure. After detailed deliberation on the issues placed before the chair, the following decisions were arrived at. Number 1, introduction of structure pay system. Introduction of structure pay system. The government agreed to introduce a structure pay system comprising base pay and dearness pay. The base pay will be determined based on the seniority of teachers, while the dearness pay will increase annually, regularly at a fixed rate to offset inflation. The new pay structure will be applicable to all SSA teachers, including the 4 teachers. Syaitan kai kabagi dawa baro shikata niong balada ka Sorkar pankan pentiu yang tulog jungi nikwa bahkan pentrikam ya ka pay scale structure kepada ka hok jungi ka kubala product hak artia 2009 but the norms but guidelines yung ka SSA. The Honorable Chief Minister Sorkar Sama have agreed to introduce a structure pay system. Bakin ayami ya ka pay scale structure along with what? Basic pay and dearness pay. Shai? Basic pay and dearness pay. Ka base pay, they will base the name shim kakum ka seniority jong u nonghikai. And the dearness pay, akbaide makani ka dearness allowances scheme increase annually, lani regularly, kakum badai ban increase ya kadie at a fixed rate na kabata bantela kam ya ka jingki dor jong kimal kimata berpenjuru kenang bagi nonghikai Pdiang ka jingyo jingkot. Syai bro. Perhatikan baik bakani ka pay scale structure. Ni ong rupai pinkan sa kata jingyo per way na way kawe na kawe. Bale nama ka base pay they will base according to the seniority of teachers. Syang kadin hapsun thuba nimpa kerja pembaca usam ada kamriu kepada kalian jungi association kopor nilai keren baka tulog jungi kanong hakani kadur tambah andala yo we train and train ka jisiu ka repair bon ki pala nonghikai ki associ but ila persya biang ya karai ka Sorkar tingin ko ba the same will repeat again. Ni kwa ban yetu pihak ni dah bersyai bayar kena ka pay scale structure kebangin yo kandon ka dia per way nonghikai pat kawe na kawe ka nonghikai nama ka base pay dan ni kata kabang yo kawe ka basic pay kapan sedang kin base according to the seniority of teachers. Ubajoy kamben shwa ukamhe ubajoy tang ar license un kamre. Within this framework, the Education Department and the SSA Teachers Association will work jointly to finalize a mutually agreeable pay structure. The structure will aim to ensure the welfare of teachers while maintaining fiscal prudence and avoiding undue financial burden on the state exchequer. Syaitan katakan new pay structure kepada Sorkar kan sebenarnya. Nakalian jumi ka nakalian juga Education Department bagi association jong kinohika SSA but for teachers ngin sigendo biang agini ikan dia sini kenang ba ngin ya keren kaba kuno kata ka pay structure ngin wanra nang bakandong biang abaro alia balai bakan ni hak ya keren biang pinhap syai ba agini ikan dia berai na kalian juga government kalau dia notify bakalapan ya ka LOC na kini ki school SSA na kilong reading na yan man hangover ya ka management sa government. Anyway, don't give them eye, don't give up eye. Don kibakai. Ni na kalian juga association kalami hangi ka cikini ngoya ka Sorkar. Wanan de wa ai ni mai kam de ka fall jong nonghikai. Ngiblim ro ya ka government, ngiblim ro ya ka SSA. Karena ka situation kamal baklan ro bas down. Ka circumstances kabangila baklan ro bas down magbetul kami ka SSA. Ni kendo jige kat. Tiniong ba? Kami katulog kapan penju tumai nakapapendekam ya ka pay structure kam day bandon kata ka jingya per kapapalat dia. Shai nadagadaw the Honorable Chief Minister Badan Burong iyong ba ya syong biya ka pibat ka Education Department ya thir ya tay ya ka ay ka ba pimenjur lang ha proposal siya ka government, the government will approve it. Shai kata
School Association, Central Body and the Meghalaya Food Teachers Association. Together we have called this general meeting, and all our members from across the state, especially from Khasi and Giant Hills region, they have come and attend this meeting. So the purpose of this meeting is to disclose the written assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma during the meeting which was held on 16 October in the cabinet room at the main secretariat building. The government have assured us to fulfill our demands, our two key demands. Number one, that is taking over of SSA school by the government, and number two, to introduce a pay scale structure for enhancement of salary to SSA teachers. So today we have disclosed the assurance to the teachers, and unanimously we have taken a decision that we have accept this assurance given by the state government through our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma. So regarding the effective and the when the government will announce its policy, in this written assurance it has make very clear that the government will announce before the Christmas, that is on December 2025, and it will be effective from 1st April 2026. Kinsadon sa kato kani gibenta kibanga ginanghaban yakren mo bad na kaliang jong Honorable Chief Minister ila ong shy ba ikwa ba hapo jud ni arbanay katam November but December kani kapor ko long very important long very crucial naman ta jong Education Department but kingi kinohikai ila ong shy ro bala don kam bani kendo man kasngiri kendo bani yakren ya kani kini kikatu kani kichikpen baik bani kwaro ban pendep kulo ya kani la kuno hapo jong banai November khnang ba ka government kan yo ban penbra ya ka policy decision jong ka haswa jong ka 8% jong banai December arajar arusan.